Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you another beautiful crochet lace pattern, and I am using 4mm crochet hook size for this project and line brand yarn. So first of all, wrap the yarn around finger like this, pull this yarn and make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook we will make chains for our crochet project. You can make this pattern width-wise more with 7 double crochet stitches from start, or you can make it with 5 double crochet stitches as well. I am making it with 5 double crochet stitch pattern. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4 and chain 5 for 5 double crochet stitches. And now we are going to make chain loops. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So after making these 6 chains, skip these 6 chains, and from this 7th chain we are going to start our pattern. So wrap the yarn around crochet hook into this 7th chain. We are going to make a double crochet stitch, pull the yarn. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. So this is called our double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn around crochet hook again, go into the next chain, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops, pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Then make double crochet 3 into the next chain, double crochet 4 and then double crochet 5. So this is our first row. For second row we are going to make double crochet chain 1 pattern in these 5 stitches. So make chain loop again, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn up the work and make a double crochet in this very first double crochet stitch. Now we are going to make chain 1 and skip 1 stitch. So make chain 1, skip 1 double crochet stitch, go into the next double crochet stitch and make a double crochet in it. Make chain 1 again, skip 1 stitch, go into the next one, make a double crochet. So this is our second row pattern. Make chain loops again by making 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. Turn up the work and repeat the first row pattern of making 5 double crochet stitches. So in this very first double crochet stitch we will make a double crochet. Then we are going to make our double crochet in the chain 1 space. So make 1 double crochet in this chain 1 space, then a double crochet into this double crochet stitch, double crochet into the chain 1 space and double crochet into this last double crochet stitch. So this is the pattern of our first row. We are going to repeat the second row pattern for the fourth row. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. Turn up the work and make a double crochet stitch into the very first double crochet stitch. Make chain 1, skip 1 stitch into the next stitch, make chain 1, double crochet stitch, then make chain 1, skip 1 stitch again and into the last double crochet stitch make a double crochet. So this is our simple beginner friendly pattern of chain loop lace. You can make it with 7 double crochet stitches, and if you want to make it more wide you can make it with 9 double crochet stitches as well. Up to your requirement, you can make it with any width. I have just shown you this pattern with 5 double crochet stitches method, and these chain loops looks really attractive. I will show you the pattern by making more rows, how the lace would look like after making some more rows. So stay connected. So I have made few more rows. This is a 2-row repeat pattern. First row and second row would be repeated for the whole lace pattern, and these chain loops are looking really attractive. I hope you guys like this pattern as well, and this is a super beginner friendly pattern for absolute beginners, and I hope you guys like it. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like this lace pattern idea, and I have shared lace pattern idea of this similar kind with solid double crochet stitches only, and that pattern is 1-row repeat pattern, and you just have to repeat this first row for all of the lace. So you can make it in hollow design with this chain 1 pattern, and you can make it with solid double crochet stitches only. That's up to you in which crochet project you want this lace pattern. You can make it according to that. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more future tutorial videos like this. So press the red subscribe button. After that, press the bell icon and then all option to get notifications of future uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.